Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes, this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today it's not a scary day. It's a happy Halloween day.
And I'm Adam. Look at Alice. She's wearing... Wait, what are you wearing?
Haha, I'm a witch, but a friendly witch. See, my hat is purple and my broom is sparkly.
Oh, okay, not scary then. Well, I'm a superhero. Look at my cape and it's flying.
Wow, so cool, Adam. You're ready to save the candy world.
Exactly. But first, let's talk about costumes and how to talk about them in English.
Okay, friends, here are some. Halloween costume words you can use. Vampire, a person who drinks blood but not really. Witch, a person with magic powers and a hat. Zombie, a funny walking monster. Pumpkin, a round orange fruit we use for decoration. Superhero, someone strong who helps others.
Great, now let's make sentences. Listen and repeat with us.
I'm a witch.
I'm a superhero.
She's a princess.
He's a pirate.
And my favorite one, we're pumpkins.
Let's tell you a short story. Last Halloween, Alice and I went to a costume party at our friend's house.
Yes, everyone was wearing something funny. There was a ghost eating candy and a cat dancing on the table.
And remember the little boy. Dressed as a banana, he was so proud. He said, "I'm the banana hero."
He was the sweetest banana ever.
So at the party, people asked, "What are you dressed as? Who are you supposed to be?"
Yes, those are common. Questions about costumes. Repeat with us.
What are you dressed as?
I'm dressed as a witch.
Who are you supposed to be?
I'm supposed to be a superhero.
Nice job, you sound great.
Now let's learn some fun Halloween idioms and expressions. 1. Scaredy-cat, a person who gets scared easily. Example, don't be a scaredy-cat, it's just a fake spider.
Too full of tricks and treats. Something surprising or fun.
Example, this party is full of tricks and treats. 3. Dress to impress. Wear something that looks amazing. Example, you really dress to impress with that superhero costume.
Great expressions. Now, friends, try to say them too.
Repeat after me. Don't be a scaredy-cat.
This party is full of tricks and treats.
You dress to impress.
Okay, Alice, let's do a short role play. You start? Ask me about my costume.
Sure. Hey, Adam, what are you dressed as?
I'm dressed as a superhero. What about you?
I'm supposed to be a friendly witch. Ta-da!
Perfect. That's how you can. Practice with your friends, too.
You know, when I was a kid, I once dressed as a giant pumpkin. It was so big, I couldn't walk through the door.
Really? That's adorable. I dressed as a robot, made of boxes, but the boxes kept falling apart.
Haha, that's what Halloween is all about. Having fun, laughing, and sharing candy.
Friends, remember, learning English is just like Halloween. You can try new things, be creative, and enjoy the journey.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. Every time you speak, you're becoming more confident.
So keep practicing. And if someone asks you, "What are you dressed as?" you'll know exactly what to say.
Thanks for joining us on Amjee's English World. If you liked today's episode, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's your Halloween costume this year? We'd love to know. Pumpkin.
See you next time. And remember, keep smiling, keep learning, and have a happy Halloween day